If you're looking for a versatile tool that can handle everything from sanding and polishing to cutting and engraving, this video is for you. Let's explore the top 5 rotary tools on Amazon right now. Starting off our list is the Dremel 4300 high-performance corded rotary tool. This is arguably the most powerful and feature-rich rotary tool in Dremel's lineup. It comes with a 1.8 amp motor and an impressive speed range of 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, giving you full control over your tasks, whether you're grinding metal or carving wood. What sets the Dremel 4300 apart is its pivot light, which illuminates your work surface for enhanced visibility, especially in tight or dimly lit areas. It also features a universal 3-jaw chuck, which means you can use any Dremel accessory without needing a separate collet. This tool comes with a robust kit of accessories and attachments, making it a go-to solution for professionals and serious DIYers alike. Whether you're detailing a model, sharpening blades, or polishing jewelry, the 4300 handles it with smooth, consistent power. Next on our list is the Dremel 4000 Variable Speed Corded Rotary Toolkit. While slightly less powerful than the 4300, the 4000 still packs a 1.6 amp motor and the same 5,000 to 35,000 RPM range. What makes this tool stand out is its electronic feedback circuitry, which maintains consistent performance under varying loads. This means no bogging down when switching materials or applications. It also includes an ergonomic design that makes it comfortable for prolonged use. The Dremel 4000 is widely respected for its balance of price, power, and reliability. It's perfect for anyone looking for a dependable tool for both occasional tasks and ongoing home improvement projects. For those who value portability and ease of use, the Dremel 7350-5 cordless rotary tool offers a fantastic lightweight option. Powered by a 4-volt battery, this tool is ideal for small-scale jobs such as crafting, engraving, and light-duty sanding or polishing. It has a top speed of 12,000 RPM and can be charged via USB, which adds a layer of convenience. While it's not built for heavy-duty tasks, its compact design makes it easy to carry and perfect for precise work, especially on delicate materials. With 30% more runtime than its predecessor, it's a great choice for hobbyists, students, and anyone needing a quick tool for light applications. If you're on a tight budget but still want a rotary tool that performs well, consider the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit. This 3.7-volt cordless model features 5 speed settings ranging from 5,000 to 18,000 RPM. It includes more than 60 accessories and bits, giving you flexibility for carving, sanding, polishing, and drilling. The HARDELL tool is extremely lightweight and compact, making it a great entry-level option for beginners. It charges via USB and has a clear battery indicator, helping you manage your sessions more efficiently. What makes it even more attractive is that it comes highly rated on Amazon, proving you don't have to spend a lot to get a capable and well-rounded tool. Rounding out our list is the Dremel 8240-5 12V Cordless Rotary Toolkit. This tool strikes the perfect balance between cordless convenience and professional-grade power. It's powered by a 12-volt lithium-ion battery and features a brushless motor for long-term durability and smoother operation. The variable speed control lets you fine-tune your work from delicate sanding to aggressive cutting. It's fully compatible with all Dremel accessories and attachments, which means you can use it for everything from tile cutting and wood carving to glass etching. The ergonomic grip and low vibration make it comfortable to use for extended periods. If you want the performance of a corded tool with the freedom of movement that cordless provides, the 8240 is an excellent investment. Thanks for watching. Whether you're crafting, repairing, or customizing, the right rotary tool makes all the difference. See you in the next video.